Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Chiranjeev Das. I welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will discuss with you great topic current affair. We can see the first question on the screen. First question. Prime Minister Modi has recently launched the PM Joy Sehat scheme for which United Territorium. This question answer will be Jammu Kashmir. Some important point of Jammu Kashmir. Capital Srinagar and May to October Srinagar. Then November to April Jammu. And then move the next question. Second question. The first ever hot air balloon wildlife safari of India in a tiger reserve has been launched in which tiger reserve? This question answer will be Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. Indian some important point. Indian first hot air balloon wildlife safari in tiger reserve was launched on Friday in the world famous Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve by Madhya Pradesh, belong to Madhya Pradesh. Forest Minister Vijay Saha. Forest Minister Vijay Saha. Saha said the activity will be restriction to the buffer area and the people can watch tiger, leopard, Indian shoot bear and other wild animal from a height. Move the next question. Question number 3. Who is the author of the book COVID-19 सभ्यता का संकेत और समाधान? This question answer will be Kailash Satyarthi. Nobel Literature Kailash Satyarthi. Some important point. Nobel Literature Kailash Satyarthi new book titled COVID-19 सभ्यता का संकेत और समाधान was launched by former Chief Justice of India Deepak Mishra and Deputy Chairman Harivansh Narayan Singh. The Hindi book published by Prabhat Prakashan. Move the next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman for selected for national men cricket team? This question answer will be Chetan Sharma. Some important point. The board of control for cricket in team BCCI. BCCI full form Board of Control for Cricket in India. On Thursday announced the All Indian Senior Selected Committee appointment. The cricket board appointment from Indian pacer Chetan Sharma as the new chairman and the selected committee, and which also packed Abhay Kulubila and Debashish Mahanti belong to Odisha in the 5-member team. The other 2 members of the selection panel are the former India cricket Sunil Joshi and Harbinder Singh. Yearly Joshi was the chief selected of the National Men of India BCCI. Some about for BCCI established December 1928. Chairman Saurabh Ganguly. Headquarter Mumbai. Head coach Ravi Shastri. This picture left side Debashish Mahanti belong to Odisha and middle Chetan Sharma. Move the next question. Indian first lithium refinery proposed to by set of the which state? This question answer will be Gujarat. Some important point. Indian first lithium refinery which will be process lithium and to produce battery grade and monetary which is set up the Gujarat and said government officially said And Monican Power Limited, one of the country's largest power trading and renewable energy company, will be investing where 10,000 crore and set up the refinery. MX Das, additional Chief Secretary and Chief Minister Vijay Rupani told. Chief Minister Vijay Rupani and M.K. Das, additional Chief Secretary. Some important point of Gujarat. Formation 1 May 1960. Capital Gandhinagar. Largest city Ahmedabad. Number of district 33. Governor Archyadev Virat. Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. BJP. This party is belong to BJP. Flower marigold. Fruit mango. The state of bamboo. The state of Mumbai was divided into two states. One is Maharashtra and then second is Gujarat by the Mumbai Act 1960. Gujarat is one of the four Indian states to prohibit the sale of alcohol. Good. And folk dance: Garba, Dandiya, Ras, Tipani, Padar, Sidi and Dangi. I move the next question. This picture is Gujarat, coastal area. Question number 6. Which state launched e-governor portal named the former registration and unified beneficiary information system fruits? This question answer will be Karnataka. Some important Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, Governor Vijubhai Vala. And the next question, move the next question. Name the winner of the 2020 Kamaldev Chattopadhyay New Indian Foundation NIA Book Prize. This question answer will be Jairam Ramesh and Amit Ahuja. And move the next question. PayU has collaborated with which company to tokens payment for merchant in India? This question answer will be Google Pay. And some important Google Pay. Google Pay is the simplest way and send money home to our family and recharge your mobile or pay the Nigerian Google Pay. And the next, move the next question. Digibox is an Indian owned cloud storage platform launched which entry? And this answer, the question answer will be Niti Aayog. Some important point of Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog formed by 1 January 2015, 6 years ago. Headquarters New Delhi. Chairman Narendra Modi. Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar. CEO Amitabh Kant. And the full form of NITI, National Institute for the Transforming India. Move the next question. Name the firm which has topped the banking, finance service and insurance BFSI Mover and Shakers 2020 ranking released by Wiki. This question answer will be HDFC Bank. And some important point, HDFC. BFSI brand, some important point of this question. BFSI brands have dominate the ranking list of this year. Life Insurance Corporation of India retained its position in the ranking at number 2 and with a brand value of 18.3 million, registering and decline 9% over 2019. And second is Kotak Mahindra Bank solidified it is the place in the rank at number 6 with a brand. State Bank of India, which has ranked number 5, ICICI Bank, which was number 10, and BF2 Technical Service, TCS number 3, Infosys number 12, and number 1 is HDFC Bank. Thanks for watching my video.